Hi guys, I am Rakshana Begum. Today I will discuss with you check bounce. What is the check bounce and loss in India? Let's start. There are 10 tips here. Number 1, what is check bounce? Dishonored check is check that the bank on which is done declines to pay. There are a number of reasons why a bank would refuse to honor a check, with insufficient funds being the most common cause. Number 2, what legal action can be taken against the dishonor of check? The holder of the check can file a complaint under Section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 against the drawer of the check and can also file a civil case for recovery. Number 3. What is procedure for filing complaint under Section 138 case against the filing drawer? Firstly, the holder of the check has to send a demand notice to the drawer of the check within 30 days after receiving such information from bank, asking the drawer to make the payment of the check amount within 50 days from the receipt demand notice. If the drawer fails to make the payment within 50 days from the receipt of the notice with respect to dishonor of the check, the beneficiary of the check can file a complaint before the land magistrate, having jurisdiction to entertain such complaint. Number 4. Whether check bounce is a criminal offense. Getting a check bounced or dishonored is considered as a criminal offense, punishable by fines and or jail term under Section 138 of the NI Act. Number 5. What is the punishment under Section 138 of NI Act 1881? The drawer signature of the check can be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine which may extend to twice the amount of the check, or with both. Number 6. Whether criminal and civil case can be filed simultaneously. Yes, criminal and civil case for dishonoring of a check can be filed simultaneously. Number 7. Whether a check issued from the account of guarantor as a security also would fall within the purview of Section 138 of NI Act or not. The security check also would fall within the purview of the Section 138 of NI Act, and a person could not escape his liability. Number 8. In what circumstances check bounce does not amount to an offence? A. When the check is given as an advance and there exists no legal liability for payment as such. B. When the check is given as a security. C. There is disparity in amount stated in words and figures. D. Alterations in check require attestation by the drawer. E. If the check is found mutilated. F. When a check is issued to a charitable trust as a gift or donation. Number 9. What happens to a check bounce case when the accused is ready to deposit the check amount? If accused is ready to pay the check amount along with interest and cost as assessed by the court by a specified date, the court is entitled to close the proceedings. Number 10. Whether a single complaint is maintainable for dishonor of several checks. No. A single complaint can only be made with respect to 3 dishonored checks. For example, if there are 6 dishonored checks, 2 complaints will have to be filed. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.